Okay, I'm the one who's holding the camera now. I don't know how shaky he was with it.
Pretty shaky.
But as you can see, the car's up quite a bit.
I'm 6 feet tall, so it's pretty high. It's pretty high.
It's lifted truck height.
Yes.
So,
anyways,
a lot of ground clearance, except in the back where there's none.
But that's what you're going to be looking at once you start to go and roll it out. That's with the pallet jack all the way down and just a few 2x4s stacked underneath. So yeah, strapping it around the bumper support does work. And I mean, if you're worried about that, trust me, we just did it and I didn't see any flex or bend or cracking. I mean, did you? I mean, it seems fine. So it has to be pretty strong. Obviously, it's a bumper support. So.
All right, we'll go ahead and pull in the pallet jack.
If our wheels don't fall apart.
They're just a little janky. Not full-blown janky, just a little janky.
Oh yeah, she rolls right out. Got a couple things hanging up. Hanging up here.
So a few minor
adjustments.
Yep.
Just make sure when you go to do this yourself that you have a buddy to help you, because it's big, it's a lot going on, and you're gonna need someone. I pulled some motors myself, but this is not one of those. And it's so
Arm.
Did someone order a engine cradle? That's the whole thing.
Go ahead and pull it out more.
That'll work for now. I'm gonna move some stuff out of the way. You can kill the video.